Hello beautiful ones. Today I am making yummy cookie cups, and if you want to learn how to make those cookie cups, stick around. Okay, so now I have already placed inside of my mixer bowl, I have a 1.5 cups of flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I also have a 1/2 cup of these toffee bits. I love Heath bars. You guys can use chocolate chips or whatever you want to put in this, or just without anything if you desire. I'm gonna go ahead and do my dry ingredients first. I have a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I have 6 tablespoons of regular sugar. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I have 1 teaspoon of extract. Now you can use vanilla or rum, lemon, whatever flavor you want. I'm using this sugar cookie. Guys, this stuff is so good because I love the taste of sugar cookies, but I didn't necessarily, I want the feel of a chocolate chip cookie, but I want the taste of a sugar cookie. You can order that online. Alrighty, I've already added my extract, which I didn't mean to quite do just yet, but hey, it's all good. It's going in the same place. Next, I'm going to add my butter and my egg, and we'll put it in the mixer and get it going. Okay, now I'm getting that mixed up. I'm going to add my egg in here. I kind of cut that butter. I cut the butter up so that it will have an easier time in this mixer. But I'm gonna keep this mixing. It smells amazing. I cannot wait to dive into these cookie cups. Alrighty, this dough is forming up just right, and I am really appreciating it. It's so much easier than me trying to mash it up with a fork in my hands, and I can't seem to find my hand mixer, so this works out perfectly. Okay, I'm going to get ready to remove this out of here and go ahead and stick it inside of my muffin pan. Okay, now that I have the cookie dough prepared and ready, I'm using these muffin pans. You can use your traditional stainless steel or non-stick muffin pans, but these are just the ones that I'm choosing to use. So I'm just going to break off a piece and kind of flatten it down, stick it in here, and kind of work my way around. So you don't want it too thin where it will break, but you don't want it so thick either. And I'll give you a close-up on what it's looking like inside of this. Actually, I can just hold it up and you can see the little hole inside. Well, I'm going to keep on grabbing the dough like so and just pressing it into the pan. And I'm going to take my rolling pin and kind of make sure I have great definition for the little center. So I hope this is helpful for everyone to learn how to make cookie cups. And I think this is a superb idea, whether you want to put ice cream, what else can you put? Cream cheese, ice cream, cream cheese, custard on the inside, and you can just take this and roll it around, and it'll give you a nice little dip in that cup. I can't wait to eat these, guys. I think I'll put ice cream in mine. It'll be something yummy. I have finished and I've made my little toffee cookie cup. Nice little close-up of the cookie cups. Fresh out of the oven. Now it is time to go back in and make those holes a little better. Okay, now that I have shown you how they look, you're gonna get your rolling pin, or you can use a cookie scooper or whatever. All you're gonna do is just go back in that middle, kind of smooth it out. And I like using this. This is so much more convenient. So what you can do with these cookies, you can definitely either put cream cheese in them. You can do cheesecake. You can do a banana pudding. You can do just about anything you want to in here. You can put icing in here. You can drop chocolate in these little cookie cups. Or what I think would be really nice, especially at a party, I think like a little trail mix. Like if you're entertaining guests, just a little trail mix, something cute that's sitting on that table that's inviting, and then you don't have to have a whole lot of whatever it is. So I let these cook for about 15 minutes, and I've made the holes a little bigger. And so I'm super excited. I'm gonna let these cookies cool down some, and I'm gonna be ready to eat them. Alrighty. All right, so I have flipped these over. I'm just gonna give them a nice little tap. Alrighty, and they are now finished. We will flip them over, and you have your cookie cups. All right. Okay, so I really hope you've enjoyed this. I really hope that you would try it. I think these are super cool, and maybe I'll make another video and actually put something in them, but I just wanted to show you how to actually make those cookie cups. So now it's time to dive in. Great, they are still kind of soft. They're not like really hard, so that's good, because as a cup, you definitely wouldn't want it to be too tough to bite down into. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye. That's so good. Oh my God. Wow.